Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainy Bites. Today, I'll show you how to create stunning AI-generated images for free using powerful AI tools. Whether you need images for your videos, social media, or creative projects, I've got you covered. Let's get started. The first and easiest way to create AI images for free is using Bing Image Creator, powered by DALL-E 3. Steps 1. Go to Bing Image Creator or open Bing AI in Microsoft Edge. 2. Type a detailed prompt, like a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars. 3. Wait a few seconds, and the AI will generate 4 different images. 4. Click on the image you like and hit download to save it. For the best results, describe the scene in detail, colors, lighting, and composition. Another great free tool is Leonardo.Ai. It's similar to DALL-E but offers more artistic styles. Steps 1. Go to Leonardo.ai and sign up for a free account. Type a detailed prompt, like a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars. 3. Wait a few seconds, and the AI will generate 4 different images. 4. Click on the image you like and hit download. Three. Download your AI-generated image in high quality. Pro tip. Leonardo.ai gives free daily credits, so use them wisely. And there you have it. These are the best free ways to create AI-generated images with zero cost. Which tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.